guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unexpected package coming from Gucci. So it's so weird because I know I placed this order a few months ago and this particular item has been sold out, and I have been stalking the website from time to time. And for some reason, this particular item pops up on the website, and it says that this is still in production, and it's said to be probably like estimated delivery on sometime in September. And I totally forgot about this, because with the thing with the Gucci guys, it's that they don't accept deposit. So what they would do is more likely like you place an order, and as soon as your item gets fulfilled, you'll get, and then that's the time they would charge your credit card, and then they would send you the tracking information. So a few days ago I got a confirmation, I got the tracking information, and I just got this, and I am so excited. This came in with this gigantic box. So okay, oh my gosh, look at the box. Oh, it came with this huge, wow, look at the box, it's so big. So this is how they wrap. So okay, they have some stuff in here. Okay, let me just check this one out. And here's, oh, they put it in a shopping bag. That is nice. Wow, very, very nice. And yes, I have this receipt in here. Yeah, I think this is the receipt. Let me just put that one at the side, and let me open this so I could show it to you what I got. Oh wow, actually the shopping bag is actually, so look, the shopping bag is actually bigger than the box. So okay, wow. Okay, here it is. Oh wow, it is, it's very interesting. But yes, this is how it looks. It is so beautifully wrapped. Wow, very nice. I like the box, guys. So let's open this one so I could show you what I got. I mean, this is totally unexpected because I thought, I mean, this has been sold out from the Gucci website, and I've been wanting this one for for a long time. And I saw this one in other websites as well, and they actually it actually cost a little bit more than the Gucci. So I got this one for $690, and other websites selling it for like 700 something plus. So here it is. Okay, it's a little bit snug though. Oh wow, oh wow, oh my goodness, I am so excited for this one. Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. It is actually smaller than I thought. Wow, this is an Ophidia GG Cosmetic Case. Wow, I mean, oh my gosh, this is actually smaller than I thought, guys. I thought it is, oh my goodness, it is so tiny. My gosh, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is how it looks at the bottom here. This is actually lined. The bottom here, it's on a leather trim. So it has a top handle, which is also in leather. Okay, let me just remove this one. Oh my gosh, this is actually smaller than I thought. What was I thinking? So okay, so that's the top handle, very lovely. So this is yeah, brown leather top handle. So also on the side over here, this is actually a leather trim, which is also in brown. So it comes with a zip closure. So it has two zippers right here. So it opens like this. Okay, so let me remove some of the stuffing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that this is actually smaller than I thought. So it has a mirror inside. Wow. Wow, very nice. Okay, so this one actually lined with the fabric. Oh no, it is lined with nylon, and actually in the higher quality nylon. The nylon is not very like slippery though. It is, yeah. And also it has the elastic stuff right here in the corner where you could actually put your lipstick. So this one, it says here, this is made in Italy. Wow, very lovely. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that this is so tiny. This is actually not what I expected though. I mean, I expected it to be a little bit bigger. So, oh, the zipper seems to be a little bit not that smooth. I mean, I don't know. I'm having such a hard time closing it. Yeah, the zipper is really hard on this. I'm probably gonna have to put some wax on this one because, see, I mean, I'm struggling to open it and to close it, guys. I mean, yeah, that is not nice at all. Okay, so this one here, it actually comes with this double G gold hardware. It is so lovely. And also the over here, the zipper, this is also made up of gold hardware as well. Very, very lovely. And also, yeah, also with this comes with this beige Gigi Supreme canvas. So this is actually the trademark from Gucci. And yeah, this is actually, I just can't get over it how small this is, guys. I mean, yeah, I mean, oh, by the way, actually I mean, yeah, it's not that, see, it's not that flimsy. It has a structure at the bottom as well. It seems like the leather at the bottom seems to be sturdy. So yeah, I'm still having such a hard time closing and opening this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one actually, the trim right here, this is actually it comes with this red and a green house web. That is really a nice touch to it. And yes, I still can't get over how tiny this is. Wow. And also, wow, I mean, right now I'm actually holding this one right now, and it smells so good. The leather for this one smells so good, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Very, very lovely. So I was thinking of the reason why I got this is because I will be using this one as a bag, actually. Probably not a cosmetic bag. I'm probably gonna have to put my phone and some of my essentials. And I was thinking of, like, putting a strap on this. Probably gonna have to figure that one out of how to do it, because I do have a crossbody bag, a messenger bag from Gucci as well, and it also came with the strap, which is also with this house web with this two colors, and I think it would look great on that. So I am actually looking forward to try to see if that would work. Oh, the inside smells so delicious. I mean, the leather smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so refreshing, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like this one because it's like more of, I know this is a cosmetic case. I understand that's why there's a mirror inside, but I just like, you know, I could put my phone and other stuff in here and use the mirror at the same time. So yeah, it is. I mean, let me see. Yeah, I really like the feel of the leather at the bottom. It seems to be, it has structure. It is not flimsy at all. And the only thing with this, I don't know if it is an issue, but it is actually smaller than I thought. It is smaller than I thought. And I'm not sure if this one's still available on the website. I haven't really checked the website. I didn't check the website today. If it's still available, you could still order this one and get fulfilled later on when they have it in stock. So yeah, this was I am so surprised that, I mean, would have never thought that they're gonna fulfill my order. And it is so cute. I'm telling you guys, it is so cute. I love it. It looks, yeah, it looks so nice. The only downside right now that I'm actually feeling is the zipper. The zipper, I might probably gonna have issues with the zipper. I mean, yeah, I could try to put some wax in it to soften this one out, to smoothen the, yeah, but I am really having such a hard time trying to pull it in and out. But as far as like looking at it, it's so cute. It looks like it was very well made. The only thing in the corner right here is actually not level. It's this part here is bulging. I don't know if that would bother me, but it does seem to look like it's not, you know, it's not even. So the bottom right here, the leather part, this one is actually, I don't know what's in there, but for some reason that one seems to, yeah, it looks weird though. I mean, it just looks so weird. But I don't think that would really, you know, I mean, affect the functionality of the bag itself. But as far as just looking at the craftsmanship of this bag, I am not, I mean, it's so cute. This part here, the top part, is actually beautiful. The trim right here, it's beautiful, but the bottom seems to look odd, like it looks weird, because yeah, it's I don't know, it's like inflated. I'm not really sure about the leather right here at the bottom. It's not even though. It's not even, especially this part right here. There's a really thick stuff right here that's just showing, like, yeah, it's weird. It's actually weird, but regardless, it is beautiful. It's so cute. It's so cute. I can't wait to, you know, put some stuff and try to see what would fit in here. But yeah, I am so happy with this purchase. I've been wanting this one for quite some time, and finally I am happy that they were able to fulfill my order and get hands on this beautiful cosmetic bag from Gucci. Well, probably not. I'm not going to use it as cosmetic. I mentioned earlier that I would be using this one as a bag. So anyways, this is my latest purchase from Gucci. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.